this year is based on a resolution that came from Ghana to the UN General Assembly and was opened at the UNESCO headquarters in Paris in February this year, where the theme of the second day was the social impact of quantum technology. And the question is it a threat or is it an opportunity? I want to argue that it is a big opportunity, not only for UKZN, but also for Durban, for South Africa, and for the continent, and maybe for the planet. So let me present to you my vision of the Center for Quantum Computing and Technology. But before I go there, let me shortly comment on this theme, threat or opportunity. The way I see it, quantum technology threatens to deepen the gap between rich and poor countries because it is very expensive to develop it. And quantum technology, on the other hand, presents a chance for development. Development needs industry. It needs us to produce devices that we can sell. And industry needs labs and experiments to create expertise to design and build devices. It's all about know-how. So the question is, can we use quantum science and technology for development in South Africa and across the continent, the African continent? This is a picture of the Earth from the moon. It's the moon perspective, where things that are not so important maybe do not appear. So on that picture you see many cities that have centers like ours that do research in quantum technology. And our vision is that we become one of them, and that Durban will then become one of the cities that do this. Our vision is to be a globally competitive research that explores and delivers the benefits of the second quantum revolution. What is that? Well, it consists of 3 pillars. The first one is quantum sensing and imaging. The second one is quantum computing. And the third one is quantum communication. And you will hear more about all 3 in the course of this morning. I just want to tell you that the prediction for the market size in 10 years' time is as follows here. So for quantum computing, this is the biggest market, and quantum communication, quantum sensing follow. So the total prediction is $30 billion to $90 billion per year. And the economic value is estimated at 1 to 2 trillion at this time, of 2035. So what do we want to do with quantum technology? Well, we want to solve fundamental social, environmental and economic problems. For example, we want to use it in healthcare. We want to use it to protect the environment, and we want to use it to optimize transport and mobility. We want to enable South Africa to build a quantum computing and technology economy. We have heard already what it needs for that. It needs a strong workforce and it needs know-how. This is what we have to build here. And then hopefully we see pictures like these in reality, where we really have industry that produces something that you can sell. Devices, quantum technology devices that could be in these 3 areas, and that help us economically. And hopefully